Hi, I'm Mella.
And I'm Archer, and we're two of your Collins House captains.
We begin by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people of the Kulin Nation. We thank you for the land, waterways and skies of which we live, learn and play on, and I extend my respects to their elders past and present.
Please stand for the national anthem.
Now we have a message from the peer leaders.
Hi, I'm Kata.
And I'm Millie, and we're two of your peer leaders for 2023. Next week's focus is showing awareness of different cultures and people.
Culture is everyone's background and beliefs. It is important to be aware of other people's cultures because then everyone will feel safe and included.
If someone has different beliefs than you, it's okay to disagree, but be mindful of what you say.
Thank you for listening, and remember, being different is a good thing because it makes us unique.
Bye!
Now I have a message from the environment leaders.
Hi, I'm Jake.
And I'm Ruby, and we're some of your environment leaders for 2023.
Today we'll be announcing the winners of new food competition. We will be announcing the runner-up first, which is 3B. Well done. And now congratulations to this week's new food winner, 3C, who came out at the top. You've done the juniors proud.
In the senior comp, which are years 4 to 6, the competition was a bit more challenging, with two classes being neck and neck all week. Well done to 5M, who kept the rivalry up all week. This week's winner is a first-time trophy winner. They had a massive start with lots of nude food on Monday and have ended up finishing strong. Congratulations to the senior winners 4J.
We'll drop off the trophies at classroom after assembly. Thank you for keeping our school clear of rubbish.
Good luck to all the classes for next time.
Remember, we want less plastic at APS.
Goodbye.
Bye.
And now a message from 3 of our Year 6 students.
PYPX is an opportunity to share what we already know and dive deeper into an issue we're passionate about.
We had 8 weeks to create, investigate, take action and unpack our very own inquiry. And then we had a celebratory evening where we can show off all that we learned and raise awareness with our community. This evening is known as the exhibition.
The exhibition took place on Tuesday night. It was really fun to share our learning with our families.
On Monday and Tuesday, we were able to share our learning with the whole school and even the Year 6s from Asphodale Gardens. Many of you visited us, played games, heard about an issue and helped us take action.
The action I took was related to my issue about gender inequalities in sport. I raised awareness and hosted a lunchtime game with the Year 3s. We played basketball and Hugo and I ref the game.
I was looking into equity for students with disabilities when playing sport. When I was looking to find information about professional and local games, I found out that the quality of videos and recording were quite bad. I had trouble finding information even about clubs that support players with disabilities. I took action by emailing Yarrabah School to find out more information.
You might have seen my action on the Oval. I created a Gaga arena out of wooden pallets because I was looking into sustainable materials for building and manufacturing. The Year 6s got to play over a few lunchtimes and recesses.
Thank you to everyone who helped us, from our guest speakers to mentors, family members and coaches. Also, thank you to the other Year 6s who worked so hard on one issue for so long. 8 weeks is a long time. Bye.
Now it's time for Student of the Week. Student of the Week presented to Jack W. of 1G for trying your best to contribute positively to the Year 1 learning space. Your efforts have not gone unnoticed. Keep up the great work.
Student of the Week presented to Olivia C. of FS for her wonderful imaginative writing about Rapunzel being lost in a fairy tale land. Thank you for being a dedicated and a reflective writer.
Student of the Week presented to Shania C. of 1O for demonstrating delightful creativity and a thoughtfulness with words during our writing session.
Student of the Week presented to Kingston P. of FF for being open-minded about your learning and attempting all work tasks this week.
Student of the Week presented to Louisa E. of 10B for being a risk taker and taking on challenges during our number explorations.
Student of the Week presented to Charlotte J. of 6F for being so independent and principled during PYPX. Your book of poetry about deforestation is amazing. What an action.
Student of the Week presented to Ebony J. for showing confidence when sharing her strategies to solve a range of number patterns. Super effort, Ebony.
Student of the Week presented to Molly W. of 3JY for using her initiative at doing her tasks independently. Thanks for always being a great role model.
Student of the Week presented to Darius H. of 4B for his wonderfully created persuasive language when prompting the Turbo Diner.
Student of the Week presented to Lachlan L. of 3JY for being a hard worker and being confident and courageous while presenting in the class. Champion effort.
Student of the Week presented to Ruben M. of 4B for his positive attitude and approach to his learning.
Student of the Week presented to Riley M. for your enthusiastic efforts during our algebra and patterns lessons. Your commitment has been outstanding.
Student of the Week presented to Olivia A. of 4M for working hard to solve maths problems involving number systems and patterns.
Student of the Week presented to Blake B. of 1B for being reflective during our inquiry unit into wants and needs through asking questions and thinking deeply. Awesome work.
Student of the Week presented to Charlotte R. for your incredible PYPX inquiry. Your work has brought so much joy to the cohort.
Student of the Week presented to Warren L. of 5B for your outstanding contributions to class and our ongoing efforts to extend your learning. Thanks for inspiring 5B.
Student of the Week presented to Abby S. of 4J for always being a hard-working, thoughtful and knowledgeable member of 4J. Simply superb.
Student of the Week presented to Archer L. for putting in solid effort to complete and set up his display for PYPX. Great work.
Student of the Week presented to Ivy H. of 3P for being a responsible and reliable student who is always willing to help around the classroom.
Student of the Week presented to Hudson H. of 5B for a week filled with exceptional effort and concentration. Keep up the super work.
Student of the Week presented to Eleanor M. of 3C for her persistence and risk-taking during all learning and assessment. Your tasks and assessments tasks this week. Amazing.
Student of the Week presented to Lua G. for being always being a principled learner for asking great questions. You're a star.
Student of the Week presented to Dom D of 3C for his respectful and empathetic manner towards all at all times. What a star.
Student of the Week presented to Audrey R. of 5P for always entering the classroom with a smile on her face and always being enthusiastic contributor to the class activities. Now it's time for physical education certificates.
Physical education certificates presented to Elliot Y of Year 4 for consistently performing all skills to a high standard. You come to PE ready to listen and keenly participate in every activity. You have a desire to perform your absolute best and take pride in your achievements. Well done, Elliot. Your effort has not gone unnoticed. Keep it up.
Physical education certificate presented to Holly P, a foundation, for always being so enthusiastic and showing a high level of skill when learning to throw and catch a cricket ball. You did a great job with moving your hands into the ball and making a bird's nest, as well as keeping your eyes on the ball and catching above your head. Great job, Holly. You're a superstar.
Student of the Week Physical Education Certificate presented to Archie G of Year 3 for always being so enthusiastic in PE and completing all tasks to a high standard. You always want to achieve your best and have fun along the way. You come to class ready to listen and have a willingness to work with anyone you take the initiative by helping out others. Well done, Archie. Super sporty, super kind, super awesome. Now it's time for the Performing Arts and the Artist of the Week.
Artist of the Week presented to Angus D of 5M for applying himself well to the task and completing even and neat stitches when creating his softie.
Artist of the Week presented to Kobe Taylor of 5M for a neat and even running stitch used while creating her flower softie. Great work.
Performing Artist of the Week presented to Jaden B of 3B for his commitment and focus in all the areas of performing arts, especially his recorder playing. You are a superstar.
Performing Artist of the Week presented to Thomas Rotifer for being a risk taker and performing confidently during our showcase rehearsal.
Please give everyone a round of applause.
We hope you have a wonderful weekend.